Let's make butter. All you need is heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to put the whipping cream in my food processor. Pay attention to the line. And now you just whip. See how the butter has separated from the buttermilk? Now we're going to separate. So now I'm going to take the buttermilk and drain it out. We're going to use that for anything like pancakes or whatever calls for that. I'm going to add a little bit of cold water in it and give it a little stir again to get all the buttermilk out. Now you have fresh butter, but I still have to wash it with water to get all the buttermilk out so it lasts longer. So I have added some water in this to squeeze it and make sure you get the water nice and clear. We're going to use our hands to clean it. And you see how the water is still cloudy? You have to make sure and get all the buttermilk out of it. Remember, you have to make sure that water is nice and clear to make sure you got rid of all the buttermilk for the butter to last longer. It should last for about 6 weeks. So now you have homemade butter. You can add salt to it. I did not because I don't want salt in my butter. And you save the buttermilk to make pancakes.